Is that 5? I wonder what's 5.5 make.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, I am.
I'm 5.5, but I'm the only one here. I feel a bit flimsy. 5.5 equals.
I don't feel confident. I think I should check trouble. Oshamo. Plus 4 equal.
5.5. Oh no. So what appears to be the matter, Mr. 9?
You are very complicated. Bonds over here. Number needs to be between 5 and 6. It is a bit confusing, but I will explain it to you later.
5 and 6. That's me. I'm between 5 and 6.
Okay, so see this answer. Yes, here. I would like you to clean your work by filling your gaps in. Then I will use water and broom to clean the wall. I think it will clean the wall.
Easy. I have to split into my friends to clean the wall. I will divide it into 3. First off, 1 plus 4.5. Hello, that'll clear it alright. Now for the next one. Final one. Look at us. You can count on me, 9. I'm the last of the one-digit numbers, I'm the oldest here. You get it, so just call me that.
Great job. I will be seeing you. See you later. Bye bye.
Now you know my number bonds. So guess what the result will be.
You can count on me, 9. I'm the last of the one-digit numbers, I'm the oldest here. You get it, so just call me that. Great job, I will be seeing you. See you later, bye-bye. Now you know my number bonds, so guess what the result will be.
Hello, I am owner of channel Number Block Basic. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, I hope you will sub and share my channel. Thanks very much.